War, they want. What's the YouTube? It's about time last decade reaction box. So I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Now we heard a song from Valiant, right? Valiant and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. The song is called Blueprint. Official music for this. You know what to do. Leave a like on the video, drop a comment, subscribe, and click the link we pinned in the comment section. I'm Twitch that. We just started Twitch like 2 days ago. If you're on a track to get it monetized over there, if you start make some money, you have a big better get over there, go on brawling as usual. If you want to come over there from the stream last time on YouTube or no say Twitch, go crazy. We get to the Valiant right now, so Valiant I talk about people. This running in Blueprint. You can see what I'm going. We're running straight in the reaction though. Straight tonight. Run Sean. No man, you like the video yet, man. You don't like the video, so here's something for run Sean. Anyways, run it. Right? Run it.
My mama still crying for me.
Is that Connor?
No, I'm a chosen, but me never did fortunate. My mindset set like an architect. Build up some steps, some want for make.
Yeah, that, they want to say, no, say me chosen in the dark. Remember, I sang in Blueprint, and I said, I listen to it, I listen to the rest of them, I said night, I got that Blueprint. I say, no, say me chosen, but they never did fortunate enough to get everything handed to him. So make some steps, so he have to make. Let me say, Blueprint, plan it out. Alright, Valiant, talk your time, G, go on.
Architect, build up some steps, some want for make. My thoughts run deep and it hard for vent. More make it up fast, I'm not see no rival. Time I get hard, my build for survival. Young youth with a vision, hope for fail and late for the mission.
You hear that? A young youth with a vision, I'm fail, and late for the vision. But he don't say, yo, he must say no competition. Listen to that.
Young youth with a vision, hope for fail and late for the mission. Mommy that I pray for me gain a religion. Money we a make and I save and I live on. My dad's will reach forever. One up some skyscraper. Hoping that the money keeps my family safer. The journey lonely grow me. Me have some broken story. And if you don't make it out, nobody don't care about your story.
If you make the man not care about your story for real, say, I feel make it in their life. You see, not just for them care about your story, but for yourself. You see, if you feel good in yourself, Jack, yo, talk to them, Valiant. Talk to them.
Story. And if you don't make it out, nobody don't care about your story. So we build up some big house and live nice. Tired for the poor and rich life. Pool and it big than it inside.
Yeah.
Give thanks for the prayers. Never beg no favor.
That's it. Give thanks for the prayer. That's it. You what? We never beg no favor. Go on.
And yeah, we run from failure. Telling all my haters, fuck who never wants me there.
Why you ship on them so that's a fuck who know what's in there? Why you do them so brawling? Why you ship on them so that easy one?
Can you sing with me now?
Alright, Valley.
No, I'm a chosen, but me never did fortunate. My mindset set like an architect. Build up some steps, some want for make. My thoughts run deep and it hard for vent.
Because, you know, a task alone are deep. It's because we are man, you know, we don't like vent. You know what I mean? So we don't really vent to people. We keep it in our work by ourselves as man out there, dog. But go on. Talk your talk, Valley.
More make it up fast, I'm not see no rival.
No rival, youth.
Time I get hard, my build for survival.
Yeah. No watching that.
Forever. One up some skyscraper. Hoping that the money keeps my family safer.
One Valiant.
Give thanks for the prayer.
That's it.
Yeah, we run from failure.
Stick around and wait for not to catch you. We have to run from it. We don't sit around and act like we're happy. No, we go out there, go walk feet. Go on.
Fuck who never wants to with them.
So cool, no matter.
Great. Great.
Is that Carter?
If I'm a king can shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
Dog, you don't know chopper already. Yo, people. I'm not gonna lie. That was a mad little song from Valiant. You did me and say. But before we cut off I tube to them now, one thing for sure, the dog, you did me and say. Because when you know say the youth them have dream, you did me. When you know say youth them have dream people. So tell them say Monday we started Twitch thing in a dog, you did me. First Twitch. I met them say we do a little stream and thing and it work. You did me. But because it works so good, dog, we have to start doing it on a regular basis. So last time we was boom and drop on a Taco Tuesday. Start it off, dog, and now nobody watch it on people. For sure know what's going on. Right now we have 34 followers on the Twitch, right? That's all. You did me I say. So you know more want to know the people. More want to go follow me on Twitch. So I'm going to go live tonight. I'm not dead. Watch that one story up on the Twitch. Since we are there. Mama goes to send some kind so Twitch. Also, could I get money for the first day for the Twitch? I want to send some money. I forget to start boss a lot of dance with money. I get it, me I say.
If you want it, if you want it, if you want it.
Boy, don't do that.
Hey, yeah. Hey, only if you go over there, you did me I say. Only if you go over there, go support the stream, go support the reaction boss. You see me I say, cause I wanna play over there, so I can't do that. You did me I say, everybody like the content. But I'll soon know another video. I'm also on live tonight on Twitch. Twitch.tv/life after but up on the back, but you don't chop already. We out of here. Big up again as usual. Reaction boss gone. What is the name? I'm out. Def. Whoosh.